the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go.
Let's go. Wake up. Let's go.
Gotta wake up. Gotta wake up, bitch. Get up. Get up. Get up.
What up, guys? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Today, we're hanging out. I know it's a double stream, a double episode. I got the robe. It's hot, actually. I'm about to take the robe off. I'll try to wear a robe like that dude. We're just gonna hang out today. Tonight. Okay? So last night, I stayed up and I was watching. Have you seen the Matt Kim interview with Cobra Tate? No, I haven't. I need to check that out. Last night I stayed up because I was watching the price of Bitcoin pump. So what happens at 12 p.m. in about 30 minutes, in about 29 minutes, Pacific Standard, right? 3 a.m. in the morning Eastern. The market opens, like the regular stock market, I guess, opens for Europe. And so when that stock market opens, or when the market opens in Europe, you'll see like more movement in the price, right? So last night, I was watching the market. Usually I stay up until 12 to see the market, see what it does. And last night I couldn't go to bed because it was pumping so crazy. So hopefully today we pump too. And I'm hoping that we pump through the all-time high, hit a new all-time high tonight on this little stream. It'd be freaking sweet. So we're just gonna hang out and just chill and look through Twitter or X for all of the juicy Bitcoin content people are putting out, Bitcoin memes, Bitcoin stuff, while we're watching the chart. And I'm not doing any kind of technical analysis. I don't do that stuff. That's for the people that are pretending to sell you courses and stuff. So but I do have the charting software, so we're going to use it. We're going to throw it up in the background here. As we talk about it, I'll tell you what we're doing in the chart, I guess. I'll tell you what we're doing to, here we go. That's my face. Okay, so we are, this line, I just added this line. Oh, my head is blocking the thing. Oh, dang it. Let me make myself, actually I'll move myself over here. There, I'm not blocking price. I'll just I'll make myself smaller. How about that? Oh, there it is. That works. Okay. I want to have a little border though. All right. Impromptu stream. Okay, here we go. So I put a line here for you guys to visualize the all-time high. Okay, it's at like 68,000, 67,000. Sorry, 69,000, 68,000. Okay. So if we touch that, if we go past that, that's the indicator. That's what we're hoping happens tonight, like in the next hour, in the next hour and a half. Johnny Midas in the house. Late night greetings from the desert. Let's go. Round of applause from the live studio audience for Johnny, Garrett, and Brian likes to fish. Dude, I can't believe you guys are up. Let's go. Let's go. The price is too good not to be watching right now. Okay. So anyway, that's the usual trend. Okay. Is when we have the market opens, that's when the price usually pumps. So now that you know where the target is, way up here at 68,000 to hit a new all-time high, we're going to adjust the chart so we can watch it. These are 15-minute candles. So we're not going to sit here and wait for 15-minute candles. Let's do like a 5-minute candle so we can see more of the action. As you can see, it's about the same. It's the same thing, but it's just broken down in 5-minute candles. It's the same pattern. See that? But each candle in this represents 15 minutes, and each candle in this represents 5 minutes. Okay. So that's the same chart we just looked at. And so this is the all-time high we hit today, where we hit like 64,000 earlier today, like around lunchtime. It's wild. No, not even lunchtime, like around like 8 or 9. Right. So now what we're hoping for is I'm hoping this is what I'm hoping to see. Okay, I'm gonna do a little price prediction and stuff. And I don't do charts. This is not financial advice. This is just me drawing on the stupid chart. Okay, don't take this as financial advice, please. Okay, we're just out here trying to watch the pump, trying to get stoked because we're not traders. We're hodlers. We buy Bitcoin, we hold it forever. Okay. All right, so here we go. I don't even know how to use these tools actually. What do I need? I'm looking for like a. Where's that thing? Not there, maybe here. Nope. Maybe here. Nope. Maybe here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Nope. Oh, that one, no. There's one where you just kind of keep clicking and it could make it go different ways. Where is it? Come on. Oh, maybe in here? Yeah, this one. Okay. So, oops. I'll put that right there. Okay. So this is what I'm hoping happens today. Okay. Or in the next about 24 minutes, we're gonna get a market open for Europe. Okay. And when that market opens for Europe, J-Dub in the house. Let's go. Chilling. We're doing a late night stream. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you guys what we're watching for, and then we're gonna watch some we're gonna look through some Twitter Bitcoin hashtag and just like enjoy the juicy content that's being put out right now. Okay, so I'm hoping for a pump. If Bitcoin is gonna get moved up by the European market tomorrow, or in about 30 minutes, 20 minutes, then I'm expecting them to move the price, go from here, move it up, right? Move it up a little bit, and then they'll start the little box. It's gonna do a bunch of this stuff, right? And I don't know how high it'll go, but then what'll happen is they'll either decide after about an hour. So I don't even know how much an hour is from here. So from here to, what time is it right now? It's I mean, maybe let's restart the little thing. Okay, escape, delete. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes so I can have a little bit more of a bearings of where we're at. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it would happen at midnight right here. Okay, what happened at midnight? That's when that market opens. So from now until midnight, I'm hoping to see like a pump to about, I don't know, maybe just trying to get to all-time high, right? Maybe back to 64, 84, 64, whatever. Up here, maybe. By midnight. And then from there, it'll probably do this weird thing where it stays inside that little range. It'll kind of go to kind of do something like this. And it'll maybe go beyond it or below it. And then somewhere along this way, it's going to decide like around, I don't know, around 1 in the morning. We're not going to stay up that late, but around 30 or 45 minutes into it, you can kind of see where it's going to go. Because that's them like trying to figure out where they're going to move it to. If they're going to move it up or if they're going to move it down. And when I say they, it's like the market maker probably, right? So midnight, and we go for about an hour to here. Okay, so it's here. Here's an hour mark. So actually, this should be like right here. So this should be like right there. I'm gonna zoom in. Whoa. What did I just do? There it is. Yeah. So I zoom in here. And this whole activity is going to happen in that hour. All these little bouncing up and down from support and It's where people get confused. It's like, where should I buy? Should I sell? It looks like it's going up. It looks like it's going down. It's going to do that for like the hour. After that hour passes, then depending on where it goes, it should decide to go up or down, and you'll know from based on the pattern there what it's going to do, right? But it's nothing for certain. It's just kind of like gives you an idea of where it's going to move to. But I'm hoping that it just skips all of this. It just goes crazy once Europe opens and they start to buy, right? Because basically what's happening is Europe hasn't been able to buy the whole day. Well, not the whole day, but their markets close before our markets open, right? Or maybe actually I don't know if they're I think their markets close before our markets open, but their market's about to open in about 20 minutes now, and we want to see what happens to the Bitcoin price while that's happening, because last night the Bitcoin pumped during that open. Here, I'll show you where that was last night. Here we go. There it is. So here's the little box I was telling you about. We'll make this a 5-minute chart. There it is. So last night, it was about what? About 20, 30, about 45 minutes before the pump started. It started to make its way up. And then when the European market opened, we got a little box, and it didn't even bother coming back down that much. It just went boom and just went right past it, and that triggered like the whole up cycle, right? And then when the US market opened, right, it pumped again, right, to like 64 this morning. So what I'm hoping to see is with this pullback right here, that they're going to continue to push it up. And so when this open happens in about another 20 minutes, I'm expecting it to basically hopefully pump through all the way up to new all-time high. But we'll see what happens. Okay. All right. Dude, that guy, that Gareth Soloway guy, poor dude. The guy's like so, I don't know, so sad. I know people are hating on that dude because he's like telling people to short Bitcoin, and it's kind of I don't know, dude. I don't think it's right to give like, I don't know, so many people that are like waiting or that shorted it because of that dude. Like, that's kind of sad, right? Again, I'm not telling you guys any kind of move. This is just my idea for today because I saw it happen last night, and it would be cool if we're streaming while it happens, because I don't know, it's just a fun thing to experience with friends, right? I'm gonna be up anyway, watching the chart, because it's exciting. I've been waiting for this stuff to happen for a couple of years now, and so it's fun to witness it happening in real time and have someone I can relate to just share the stoke, because that's freaking awesome. Okay, all right. While we're waiting for that to materialize, we got about 16 minutes until the European market opens. And yeah, see, it's coming back down to that moving average. It's gonna maybe touch it, and then start to push it up before the open. And as it opens, it'll be hopefully in the going up direction. If not, if we have a crazy dip, then I am up and ready to buy that dip. So anyway, that's where I do most of my. Anyway, that's where you would add a little bit more to your stack. What up, Leonard? How's it going, dude? Dude, we got 5 people in here. You guys are definitely night people. All right, let's do some more. Let's look on X and get some sweet Bitcoin only toxic memes, posts, and other fun things to make us chuckle. Okay, there we go. Get my browser going. If I can find it. Yes, it's good. All right, so basically, I'm just gonna search on the hashtag Bitcoin and see what we get. Okay. All right, here's a good one. There's a good one from Carl B. Manger. No force on earth can stop the idea whose time has come. Bitcoin is unstoppable no matter what government thinks about it. All right, that's pretty cool. I like it. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. What do you guys give that one? Rate these memes on the fly on a scale of. Let's do a small scale. Let's do a 0 if you don't like it, a 1 if it's okay, a 3 if it's dang good, and a 4. I'm sorry, a 2 if it's dang good, and a 3 if it's one of the best memes you've ever seen. Okay. All right, it's a small scale. 0 if you don't like it, 1 if you like it, 2 if you think it's really, really good, and 3 if it's one of the best memes you've ever seen. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty inspirational. But there's more to come. Let's see. And we're gonna do this for posts too. Oh, 3+. Okay, I like it. Here we go. We're not gonna do any political stuff, just to keep it friendly. Okay. The BTC, the Bitcoin therapist, guys. That guy puts out so much good stuff. Man, I love following his stream. Okay. Billionaire MIT grad Michael Giga Chad Saylor explains how humanity prospered by channeling different forms of energy. Fire, chemical energy, missiles, kinetic energy, water, gravitational energy, and atomic nuclear energy. What's the highest form of monetary energy? Say it with me. Bitcoin, baby. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. 65,000 is the next victim, says a Bitcoin magazine. Okay, sorry, we skipped the Giga Chat one. I'm not gonna score all of them. Only the ones that are like this in this format where it's like a picture. Okay, so I really like this format. It's pretty funny, and you've seen it applied in different ways. But yeah, this is like Bitcoin death knocking on 65K's door. That's to be seen. All right, 2. Okay, that's good. It's pretty good. Yeah, I'll give this a 2. It's pretty good. It's like average, but it's a good. Some of these are weird. I was gonna skip something. Bitcoin sitting comfortably at 100 Kiwi pesos. Oh, oh yeah, because Bitcoin's breaking all-time highs in different currencies, right? So it's true. All right, let's keep it going. What is this? Just in Bitcoin, absolutely ripping CNBC. Okay, let's listen to this CNBC post. Let me turn off this music.
West, I'm Brian Sullivan. All that and more coming up over the hour. But first up on Last Call, the Bitcoin breakout. It boomed today. Bitcoin briefly hitting 64,000 for the first time in more than 2 years. It's below that right now, but Bitcoin has been absolutely ripping the past couple of months, more than doubling just since September. It's not just a sniff from its all-time high. It's 68,982 and 20 cents to be specific.
Jeez.
It is inching closer every day. Mark, by the way, that number down. And here's what makes this Bitcoin rally a little bit remarkable and maybe kind of weird also. Bitcoin doesn't appear to be getting a lot of love from you, the public. We know that because of this chart. It is kind of weird looking, but that is the chart of the amount of Google searches for Bitcoin last year. Over the past 12 months, there was a spike last month as the Bitcoin spot market hit the ETF. That's that bump. But since then, you can see it's been flat. I mean, that's literally the world's most boring TV graphic. In fact, searches for Bitcoin are well below where they were 3 years ago. Look at that.
Wow.
They're also well below their December 2017 peak. That's that radio wave thing we're doing there, when Bitcoin neared 20,000. So either everybody already knows everything they want to know about Bitcoin and doesn't need to search for it, or they just aren't that interested, which would mean that this rally is really being driven by large institutions like banks and not by retail investors like you.
Interesting. That's a pretty good observation, right? Or it could also mean that people are so broke seeing Bitcoin at that price, they don't think they can afford it because they don't understand that they could buy Satoshis like we tell them every freaking day on the show. Okay? That could be another option, right? Or also, Maybe some of these people don't have that Bitcoin obsession yet, right? And anyway, so maybe some of these people don't even know that the ETFs got approved, right? So it's pretty wild. This wasn't a rated one. It's just like a whatever one. Everybody wants one Bitcoin, but nobody wants to stack SATs during the bear market. You all did it, you crazy mother lovers. Let's go. That's us, guys. That's us. You know, we stacked. No, I like this one. We stacked during the bear market, and we continue to stack to this day. Okay, that's good. That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that one. Let me turn a little background music again, guys. Sorry about that. Keep it going. Yeah, dude. I don't do any kind of altcoins right now. I know there's a lot of potential there, right? But I don't like gambling. Let's go. That's us. Woo! You got to get your Bitcoin off the exchange. Oh, that's so sad. All right. Let's keep it going. All right. Let's see. That's face melting candles. If you guys aren't following Swan Media, this is a good. They do a good daily recap. It's very concise, and they do a really good job with it. So go check them out. Let's see. Did Peter Schiff just post that? Talk about those profits after you sell and realize them. Oh my gosh, this guy's still not on board. All right, here we go. That's good. Everything else against Bitcoin is going to zero. Let's see, and this chart is everything. All different investment options are going to zero, and this is actually a meme by BTC Therapist. This guy's so prolific, dude. It's awesome. Let's keep it rolling. Let's see. Okay, it's a bit, okay. Let's watch this one. Oh my gosh. Hang on a second. All right, let's see. Start it over.
Josie.
Josie's on a vacation far away.
Let's go. That's awesome. People who shorted Bitcoin at 16K. Oh, burn. All right. I'm sitting here laughing. I was sitting here last night just cracking up on these memes. All laughing here by myself like a weirdo. But now I got you guys, so it's not as bad, right? It's not as bad. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good time. Hit that like button, boys. I see 7 people in here watching. If you're new to the stream, welcome. We don't normally do a stream like this. We usually have a pretty professional stream with no cursing, and we just stack sats Monday through Friday, 12:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3:30 Eastern, every Monday through Friday. We buy a little Bitcoin. We talk about Bitcoin, and it's beginner friendly. We don't push any kind of poop coins. We don't talk about any kind of yield products. All we do is 100% Bitcoin, and we encourage and promote and teach you how to take self-custody and chill. We don't trade. Okay, that's what we do. We buy Bitcoin, we stack Bitcoin, we save it, and we hold it forever. All right, so let's keep these memes going. That was pretty good. Let's give me a number on this one. Give me a number on this one. 0 being not good, 1 being pretty good, 2 being awesome, 3 being one of the best memes you've ever seen. Okay. All right. While you guys are putting in your score, I'm gonna scroll down and see if I can find the next meme. British Auto is a good channel to watch too. He's pretty upfront and yeah, that's a good one, Johnny. I like that one. Oh, 2+. Okay. Justin. Okay, this is okay. This pace of inflow. Okay, let's read this British Huddle tweet. This pace of inflow for Bitcoin ETFs continues to be unreal. And guess what? Tomorrow it starts again. and we're 5 minutes away from the European EU market open, and we're gonna check on the chart real quick. There it is. See, so this trend is gonna return to the mean or to the average, and there it is. It's starting to pump up. See, it's gonna reject from that hopefully on its way up in the next 5 minutes. We're gonna go to the 1 minute chart, guys, so we can see the live action. On the 1 minute chart, it's below the average. So, but it bounced off of this 50 EMA line or something, right? So, it's bouncing up. So what I'm hoping to see is once this makes it above this average, you're gonna start to see a little pump, and they're gonna pump it up for the next 4 minutes. The next 4 candles, there it is. The next 4 candles, it's gonna go up above this average, hopefully. And if it does, hopefully it pumps beyond into these little vector candles that need to be recovered, and we see the EU open on the way up, right? Instead of maybe it crashing and then having the EU open down here. So I don't know. Let's see how it goes. We got about 3 minutes left. How come there's no timer on here? Oh, there it is. Okay, so the next candle is already, the new candle just printed, and let's see what it does. Okay, these are 1 minute candles, so they're going pretty fast. Oh, there it is. It's dropping a little bit, but see, it's only dropping enough to hit that little average there, right? So, sorry I'm moving the screen so much, guys. Okay, so that's kind of just sitting there. It's about to get its next candle in about 16 seconds. Okay, we're getting close. The open is in about 2 minutes. After this next candle prints, it'll be 2 more minutes. Here it goes, 7 seconds away. And again, I'm hoping to see it punch through that average and then start to make its way up into the opening. And then we can have an idea for like where it's going to trend towards. And hopefully, during the live stream, we go up there and we slap the all-time high in the face. All right, so we'll go back to Twitter in a second, guys. I just want to start to see the opening. So while that's opening, actually, I'm gonna start scrolling through Twitter still and find the next one I want to show you guys. But meanwhile, I'm gonna have this on the screen, and when I find a good one, I'll post it up for you. This is a good one, actually. I'm gonna bring it up real quick, and we'll come back to the chart. Give me a second. Let's see. Where is it? There it is. All right, this is funny. Okay, so Vanguard is like one of the institutions that decided not to offer ETF to their customers, and not even allow their customers to buy the ETF from one of the other ETF providers, right? So that's what they're showing Vanguard. It's usually their logo is a ship, but it's like a sinking ship because they're like basically they refuse to offer their customers a Bitcoin ETF option, and had they allow their customers to buy a Bitcoin ETF, then their customers would have been up 50% this month. But just basically just denied them the Bitcoin ETF, which is kind of whack, right? So that was a good one. I think that's a good one. I like that one. Let's see. All right. Next candle printed. All right, here we go. 19 seconds away from the opening of the EU market. What will happen? Let's go. All right. 7 seconds away. Oh, come on. You can do it, Carl. Let's go. Come on. Oh, there it is. The EU opened. The EU market is open for business, and it's time for them to scoop up some Bitcoin, fill it up on pump number 1, please. Let's go. Let's go, Garrett. Let's go. Oh, there it is. Oh, I missed a little move. Oh, come on. If we get past this little thing right there. Oh, shoot. It's not going to go, guys. I don't know. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Okay, let's see what happens, eh? Let's see. That's why I don't trade. I get emotional, right? I don't trade because trading is a sucker's bet. But let's see. But it's still pretty entertaining to watch the price action happen, right? So look at that. At the market open, the price swings up and down pretty violently. And so it's not a good time to trade, right? If you're a trader. All right. That gray box represents the range of price that we're seeing at the beginning of the market. Okay, come on. I got to see it push through that. You can do it, Bitcoin. We got to play some pump music for this to pump.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's going. Let's going.
Get up, and then they got go. Time to wake up, bitch. Get up.
Yeah, we're having a party in here, boys. We're having a party. Not safe for kids.
Get up.
Put the kids to bed. We're having a party. Let's go.
Get up, get up.
Dude, Garrett, you're a legend, dude. Don't put that stuff in the chat because people might want to come after you after they see how much Bitcoin you have. I see your message. I'm gonna delete it. But dude, that is awesome. Congratulations. Congratulations. You gotta, once you see the opportunity and you understand the opportunity, it's you realize that the real risk is holding dollars, dude. It's wild, right? Imagine like the whole time you've been saving for like, oh, it's gonna keep going. I'm just gonna keep playing the song for a little bit. Maybe I'll probably try a different song. Let's try this song. How about let's see. How about I need like a nice pump song. That song is pretty good. We can't. It's going. Okay, so that first minute establishes the range for when for the market open. So you have a little gray box, right? Now this price action is going to move above and maybe into the box, maybe above and below the box, right? But you want it to basically make its way above this box, and that kind of tells you that it's going to move up later today or throughout the day until they decide a direction again when the U.S. market opens tomorrow, right? Or later today now that it's midnight. But all right, so it's kind of a good sign that it's on the top of the box or on the way up to the box. J-Dub in the house. All right, J-Dub. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Hope you have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully you wake up with some solid morning green candle. Let's go. Morning green candle in the house. Oh, it just did a little jump. Here we go. Let's see. It's more exciting when we play this. Let's go.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go. Get up, and then they got go. Time to wake up, bitch. Get up.
Come on. You can do this.
Get up. Get up.
Oh no! All right, it's gonna go up. It's gonna do its thing. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. All right, I'm gonna have this queued up for when it starts to pump. When I play that song, it's just epic. It's just epic to see that little candle pop up with the song in the background. It's so funny. Okay, on the 5-minute chart, we're just getting started, right? We're just getting started right now. So anyway, all right, we're gonna keep watching the chart, and I'm gonna just keep looking through some memes because I'm not feeling sleepy yet. If you guys gotta go to bed, you gotta go to bed. You gotta work tomorrow. That's fine. I totally get it, guys. But I'm just gonna hang out and have a little fun here, and maybe even get some new subscribers that we haven't had the time for them to watch us because we're in the middle of the day. Okay. This is a pretty good one. I'm gonna bring it. I mean, it's pretty good. Let's see. Browser. It's a pretty cool one. I like this one. It says it's like an old. It's probably AI generated train station with the Bitcoin train ready to go, and it says, "Hop on the Bitcoin train to the future of finance." It's pretty good. It's pretty good. The quotes on those are what makes it pretty good. I don't know what this is. Let's go. Do you know how many times I heard Bitcoin cannot do this, Bitcoin cannot do that, or that's not happening, or never, bro, impossible, etc. From 15K to the current price every damn day. Do you think I cared? Do you think I cared what those clowns had to say? Nope. Anyway, that's pretty funny. That's pretty good. I'll keep an eye on this in the background while I'm looking at the memes. Yeah, I'll be back to the memes. Let's go back to the chart. Okay. So right now it's pretty good. It's in that box. No real action. It's gonna go up and down this little box like we said. And then eventually, once it gets towards the end here, it's going to either make its way up or make its way down. It's simple as that. Okay? Or maybe it continues to go sideways, but it's not very likely. But if it pumps right now, or if even they pump it up to get it closer to the all-time high, and then we hit a new all-time high when the U.S. opens again, it's going to be sick. It's going to be sick. Putting on some more music. Some regular music. Oh, this is kind of pretty legendary right here. This is pretty toxic actually, but it's freaking awesome. Just see things like this, you're like, what the hell is going on? Here we go. El Salvador president tells Peter Schiff to cry harder after telling Bukele to sell their Bitcoin. Talk about these profits after you sell and realize them. He just doesn't get it, or he chooses not to get it because his business is to sell gold, right? So it doesn't make sense for him to try to get people into Bitcoin, even though it's probably better for them to be in Bitcoin. Kind of sucks. All right. Doge, come on, get out of here. How to invest your money. Invest in mutual funds, spread equally across 4 categories: raw growth and income, aggressive growth. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's never gonna get old, baby. Here we go.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go. Get up and get the guy go. Time to wake up, bitch. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Okay, so we made it back up over the averages. Come on, new candle, let's go. Go up. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. Oh. To be crazy. No, that doesn't look good to me. That doesn't look good. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Let's see what happens. See what happens. So we're on the 1 minute chart right now. We're getting a new candle every 1 minute. And we're about to get a new candle right now. Are we? There it goes. New candle. Yep, new candle just printed. And it's... see if it goes up. Oh my gosh. Just want to see a big old candle go poof. Make me adjust the chart. Just blow past all this nonsense. Get back into this little category. Get back into this little area. Start recovering this vector candle right here. Boom. Come on. All right. Well, that's happening. All right, one more. Here, 1 second. Here we go. New candle printing. That's weird. That candle was pretty. Oh, pop! It jumped up. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh my gosh. Watch. Oh. Right. Come on the drop. Ah. Okay, it's coming back a little bit. All right, here we go. All right, all right, all right. All right. While that's happening, we're gonna go back to this little chart. Let me pop out this chat so I can see what's happening over here. What are you using for live charts? It's a software called Trading View. I think it's called Trading View. Trading View. It's called Trading View. I'll give you a second. We could try to get you a link or something. Settings. Over here. Refer a friend. Let's go. Refer a friend. Link. All right, I'm gonna put my referral link in there. Garrett, if you want to use the software, they have a free version. There it is. There you go. It's in the chat. Oh, it's pumping a little bit. Oh my gosh, come on. The chart movement is too good to be looking at memes, but I'm still gonna look at memes. We gotta finish that meme that we started earlier with the how to invest your money PDF. Come on, big candle. Let's go. I mean, it's making its way up. You know, it's making its way up. So can't knock it. Can't knock it. The people that are so they're 15 minutes into the market opening. It's pretty good because we're basically, let's see, what did the 15 minute? 5-minute chart. Yeah. It's a good little push up on the open. I like that. Good little push up on the open. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good, actually. It's looking juicy. It's looking juicy. If we start getting into this little yellow area, start eating away at this candle, oh yeah, it's gonna go. So it's good. And remember, this just for perspective, this is where the all-time high. This is for the high of yesterday. So yesterday high, this little blue line, and the high for the all-time high is up here. I mean, it's not that far away. Let's see. It is about 9% away. That's doable. That's doable in two sessions, in two markets, right? The EU brings it up a little bit. Maybe the EU brings it up to a solid 64, 65, right? Where it's hovering around here, and then they push it another 5% during the US market, and we'll be at all-time high. And then it's Thursday. Everybody's gonna go crazy. People are gonna start getting messages on their phone, FOMOing in, telling their friends. You know, it's crazy. It's crazy. But okay, while the market's chilling, trying to figure out where it's gonna go, let's go back to these memes. I'll pop back in here if it starts to pump, and we'll play the pump song. Okay? All right. Come on, you Frenchies. That's hilarious. All right, here we go. So we're looking at this one. This is how to invest your money sheet from Dave Ramsey. And someone just came and pooped all over it and said, you know what? Forget all that. Just buy Bitcoin. That's pretty boss right there. It's pretty good. This is from over at Simply Bitcoin. We've simplified it for you. Buy Bitcoin. There you go. There you go. All right. I'm switching it back to the chart. Okay, I think the purple vector candle means that it's slowing down. So I can't remember if that's good or bad. I can't remember if that signals a change of direction or not. We'll see. Okay, we tapped the average daily range, the high average daily range. We're getting close to that. So that's a little bit of a ceiling, a little bit of resistance, and then it should wind it back up and come back up. Hopefully punch through that. Get beyond this level here. And again, I wanted to get into this vector candle over here and start eating away at it. Johnny Midas in the house. Get toxic, dude. Get toxic. This is after hours. We can say whatever the heck we want. Say whatever we want. My soda's gone. You know? But if I didn't do jiu-jitsu today, I would have had a beer. But I don't like to drink after jiu-jitsu so I can heal. I feel like I heal really slowly if I drink. It's wild. I got a bunch of new bruises today. I got a bruise on my hand. I got a bunch of bruises over here. This is my old bruise from my old bruise from Monday. No broken fingers though. Oh, come on. All right, that's good. It's just getting a little running start to hopefully bust through that. There it is. Let's go. Keep going. Bust through that thing. Bust through it. Do it. Let's give it some encouragement. Let's give it some encouragement. Come on, you can do this.
of bed, bitch, go. Get up, and they got go.
Here it is. Next candle.
Time to
Next candle.
wake
Let's
up,
go.
bitch, get up.
Oh, come on. You can do it.
Get up. Get up.
Oh, my God. Don't drink Pump Light. Only the good stuff. Let's go.
Get up.
Ah, came back to recover that little vector. Okay, so it came back to the average. But now it's got like a little bit of resistance going down too. So it's got like support here and maybe support if it comes back into this little range. But ideally, I'd like to see it go beyond that. Yeah. But still, it's unusual for it to be so far out of the box at the beginning like this. Normally, this stuff is happening in the box. And so this is actually still a pretty good sign, even though it's coming back a little bit. It's still a pretty good sign. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, for sure. We have like the rest of the hour to go. And guys, don't feel like you got to stay in here. If you got stuff to do tomorrow, it's all good. It's going back to 53.1. I wish if it went back to 53.1, I'd buy some more. That's so funny. Now, I doubt it'll go back to 53. It tried to get down past 58 after it hit 64, but there's too many people buying. Like the only time I think where it could go down at this point is like when the institutions are not buying, right? And they have their set hours, like their market of buying, right? So I don't know. It's just, I don't know. At this point, there's so much consistent volume of purchasing that I don't know, dude. Like even when Vanguard, well, not Vanguard, when Grayscale was selling off a bunch of FTX's Bitcoin, even that basically that dump of coins wasn't bringing down the price that much, right? It still like survived that volume of getting rid of Bitcoin, right? And the only reason there's so many Bitcoin being dumped was because the lawyers that are I guess managing the funds for the liquidation of FTX assets, they don't care about Bitcoin. They just wanted the money, right? So they just sold it off. So anybody else now that's holding Bitcoin, I don't know. It's like, I think most people that are holding Bitcoin now understand its value. And so it's not very likely that they'll like sell it off like that, you know, but who knows? Anyway, we're just here. We're here for the pumps. We're here for the number to go up. We're here to have some fun. And, so far, so good. Okay, so the market, the first hour of the market open officially ends, of course, in an hour, so about 1 a.m. We're about 12. It's about 12:24 a.m. here in Pacific Coast or Pacific Standard Time. I'm just gonna watch it for like maybe 15 more minutes. We'll watch it until 12:45, and if it doesn't pump by 12:45, then we'll call it. But if it pumps between now and 15 minutes, we're going to see how high it goes. My gosh. So crazy. So crazy. All right. I'm going to make it big. Set that here. Go back to the standard jams. And look at some more Twitter jams. Oh, this is so good. I gotta show you this one. Sorry. All right, it's not going up for. It's kind of. It might come down to check here against the average. Okay, so while it's coming down, let's watch this meme. Let's watch this meme. It's so funny. It's a good one. I like this one. Here it goes. Browser. Let's go. All right, so you got like a nervous guy trying to figure out which button to press, and one button says "Stay humble." And the other button says, I effing told you so. So that's me. That's you. If you told anybody about Bitcoin before the pump and they didn't listen to you, and now they're coming back, you're getting that text. and you have a choice to make. You can choose to stay humble or say I effing told you so, right? But it's probably better for you to stay humble and just be nice about it and help them get on board. Okay. All right, let's go back to this chart because it looks like it's dumping. Oh my God, it's dumping. It's going to zero. Sell everything. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. This is the 1 minute. That was the 5 minute chart. Oh, the 1 minute chart's going to look violent. Oof. Okay. Okay. So, I don't think. Oh my gosh, we have how much time do we have? 15 minutes. Let's go look at the 15-minute chart. 5 minute chart. Okay, we have about another 34 minutes before the opening concludes, and this is what they do. They bring it up for you, and then you think it's gonna keep going, and then they drop it on you, right? And if you bought up here, right, you would probably set your stop loss somewhere like in here, right, or like right below the average. And so what they did is they let you buy it up here at 63,000, set your stop loss at, I don't know, 60 at the daily open, maybe at 62,369 or something, right? And then they brought it down enough to hit your stop loss and sell and basically automatically sell your Bitcoin back to them at 62,000, and you took a loss right there of like 1%, right? That's on the 5 minute scale, right? They do this all the time. This is why this market moves the way it moves. They're always trying to get you to get in at the high points, and then they trap you, right? They keep, like, if somebody got in here, they trapped them, all these, right? This one was probably them taking their price up really quick to grab all of the new buys and then bring it down real quick before they have a time to sell out of it. And now the people that had buys up here are trapped. And then so then they bring it down and they make them feel the pressure. And if you bought up here, maybe your stop loss was like, all right, I'll put my stop loss down here. So they basically just came down and took everybody's money from up here that had a stop loss right there. So they dropped it about 2%, right? To take the stop losses, to take their stop losses. And, you know, that's how the market maker makes his money, by manipulating you into buying and selling at the wrong time. So we don't buy and sell, we just buy. All right, Johnny, thanks for tuning in. That was awesome. I love your enthusiasm, and I hope you enjoyed this little crazy version of the episode. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Pump it, pump it, pump it up. Don't you know? I know that song is good, right? Don't you know? Pump it up. All right, so let's go back to the 1 minute chart. What's happening here? Yeah, it's trying to figure out what to do. Okay, I'm anticipating. Hopefully, this is like a psych out by another psych out, and then boom. Okay. All right. We keep it going. All right, we have 16 more minutes of stream. If it pumps, great. If not, we're all going to bed. 16 minutes. 16 minutes to see a crazy candle pump. It's so good. Oh my gosh. It's wild. All right, here we go. 15 seconds away from the next candle printing. The next 5 minute candle. Let's see what happens. It's actually also the next 15-minute candle. Let's look at that one. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart. Okay, it's good that this candle is purple. It's good that it's purple. I think it signifies a change of direction or something. It's going to start to come up instead. So this has to come back up and take up at least half of this candle. If it takes more than half of the candle, then we know it's going to go up. If it comes up and doesn't take at least half of this candle back, then it's probably going to continue down. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it happens that way. Let's go back to the 5 minute chart. 1 minute chart. Yeah. This already took about half of that candle. These songs got creepy all of a sudden. Oh, there it goes. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Turn to pump. Pump you up. But you see how time consuming it'll be to like trade, you know? We're not trading, boys. We're just watching the chart, so we can see this, so we can see a nice, awesome plump green candle live. Okay, we're watching the first hour of the European market open to see if they pump Bitcoin up to or close to a new all-time high. Oh, here we go. So it's recovering that candle great. It's recovering that candle pretty well. Okay. Now it's going to make it past the average again. And let's see. Okay, 1 second away. Here comes the next candle. There it is. Checking the 5-minute chart. Oh yeah, it looks like it's gonna definitely recover that candle. It looks like I made it already past the half point. Yeah, I think it's gonna recover this guy. Let's make its way up. There it goes. Back to the average. Is it gonna make it past it? Come on. I don't see a lot of power. Let's bring up these little indicators. Okay, next candle. Oh, next candle's popped up above the average. Okay, good. That's recovering this vector candle. Good. Come on, you got this. There we go. There we go. Get some room. You got this. You got this. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on, guys. This is a good little meme right here. Let's watch this one real quick. Let's see, browser. I'll start it over. Oh, I can't. I'll probably get DMCA for that song. Hang on, I'm gonna cover it. But that's the beginning. Second halving. Boom, it's 20,000. Then it retraced. Third halving. Boom, 69,000. Retrace. And now we're here at the fourth halving. And it's actually getting near an all-time high before the halving. Usually, the new all-time high doesn't happen until after the halving. So it's pretty crazy that it's happening before the halving. Okay? It's pretty cool. All right, let's get back into the chart. Boom. If you have any questions at any point, do ask in the chat. I'm monitoring the chat. If not, we'll be here guiding you through the EU market open. Just watching Bitcoin. Seeing if it's going to pump today like it pumped last night during the European market. Gosh. Oh man. Oh, there it goes back down. No. No pump today. All right, I'm gonna switch to some more chill music because we're getting ready to close the show out. It's almost time. Low key, chilling. ASMR. Oh my goodness. We've been patient this long. We're good. Would have been sweet to see that happen in real time. But I know I'm going to go to bed. I'll probably wake up with a bad case of morning green candle. This is a good one. This is a good little meme question right here. This is from Crypto Rover. Tomorrow you wake up and Bitcoin is at 100K. What will you do? What will you do? Let me know in the chat. Keep hodling, sell it, buy more. That's what I would do. I would buy more and keep holding it, because if we hit 100K, that's not going to be the end of it right there. That's going to be just the beginning. We're getting close to the end of the first hour of the EU market open. And so far it did what we thought it was going to do, which is go up and down. And what I'm hoping for now is that it just kind of takes off from there. Okay, so we're about 19 minutes away from the end of the first hour of the EU market open. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was hoping for a lot more action in the first hour, but at least we'll get to see which direction I think they're gonna take it in, right? So from here, if it's not able to get back out of this square and go up, it's probably gonna trend down the rest of the day until they have another option to change the direction on it when the U.S. market opens. Okay. And that kind of makes sense, I guess. If they're gonna have a pullback, what would they pull back to? I don't know. It's still above the average though. I think the 15-minute. Yeah, dude. Even on the 15-minute, it's above the average. Nah, I don't see it. It's gotta keep going up. Yeah, it's gotta keep going up. Here's the last one. Last night, it was like pumping before the market opened in Europe, and it pumped all the way when the market was first hour, and even that first hour was already pumping. So that was a really good day last night. A really good night last night. Today, not so much activity, not so much pumping action, but still, we're just getting started. It looks like it's getting ready to continue up. You never know. This is the 64. Yeah, this is when we hit 64 yesterday. Yeah. I think it's gonna do good. We'll see. All right, going back to the 1 minute chart so we can see more action. All right. And while that's happening, I'm going to continue to go through the memes over here. Oh, here we go. Come on. Make me play the pump song, bro. This is freaking awesome. That was a good meme by Teddy, by Bitcoin Teddy. This is hilarious, but it's facts right there, dude. It's so true. Let's see. I didn't stack this hard, but maybe I should have. Okay, I didn't know any better, guys, until I was already kind of on the way up, the price. But this is a really good one. It's hilarious. Let's see. Bitcoin Teddy. The Bitcoin halving is very close, folks. And it's got a guy who wore out the soles of his shoes because he wasn't buying any shoes. He was stacking so hard, he'd rather stack sats than buy new shoes. So his Vans are basically like the Flintstones car. Nothing on the bottom but a strap to keep his foot in there. That's awesome. Freaking legend right there. Dang. He didn't buy a pair of shoes. So now the money he's spent on the money he's saved in Bitcoin by not buying shoes, he can use that now to buy infinity shoes, unlimited shoes, right? One pair of shoes, the cost of one pair of shoes is gonna make his wealth go up, so he never have to worry about buying shoes the rest of his life. It's funny. It's so funny. All right, back to the chart. It's just sitting there. Not doing nothing. Not being exciting. He's gonna buy new feet. Nice. Nice, Leonard. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Samson Mao is so freaking bullish, dude. He said that he thinks that Bitcoin's gonna hit $1 million before the halving, or something like that. Yeah, before the halving, he thinks Bitcoin's gonna hit $1 million. This guy's like real bullish, right? Let's see. I think that's what he said. Oops. Nope. This one. So that's what he says. He says, it seems like his original tweet back on January 28th was Bitcoin could make a new all-time high before the halving. And he tweeted 5 hours ago, seems like we're going to get the new Bitcoin all-time high before the halving. It will put the rest. Oh, sorry. It will put to rest the idea of cycles, which can be scary for people because it means Bitcoin could just do anything at any time, which has always been the case. Interesting. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, that's creepy. Every time you don't look at Bitcoin, it goes up. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my gosh. He's walking backwards so you can see. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. That's a good one. That's a good one. Just chilling, dancing his life away. That's a good one. All right. No more memes for the rest of the night. We're sticking to the chart. We're past our time. Might as well stick it out to 1 a.m. That's what I'm doing. 1 a.m. You don't have to stick around for that, guys. Feel free to go to bed. But if you're up and at 'em anyway, let's watch this Bitcoin price for the last. What was it 12 minutes? Come on, Bitcoin. Make me play the song. There we go. It's such a gamble to be trading. Like if you think of it, like all this other stuff that's happening in the background, it's kind of like in the roulette where they put the numbers that have already hit to get you to think there's some kind of correlation between like past events, even though each roulette spin is like a new coin toss, right? And what happened before has nothing to do with what will happen next. So it's like a system to manipulate people like this. But the market maker loses if the asset that we're buying continues to go up and we don't sell. So far I've done better just by holding it than by any kind of trading. Jeez, man. All right, here we go. 10 minutes away from the first hour of trading. No breakouts. We went up to touch the the high dynamic range. We came back down to the daily open. And nothing yet. We're basically back to where we started at the beginning of the hour. $65.5 when I wake up. I bet, right? All right. 9 more minutes till the final candle. Here we go. It's at the edge, trying to break out. Let's see what happens. But this is what I mean, guys. Like if you get into trading and stuff, there's so much time lost in just watching these candles, right? It just makes sense, you know. Just buy it, take custody, and get away from get off the computer, right? Get away from the computer. Even though I'm doing exactly what I said not to do. I'm not actually trading, but I'm sitting at the computer watching this. Oh well. All right. I thought we were gonna get a good pump today because of the pump we had yesterday. And if we did get a pump, it would have been awesome to be on stream when the pump was happening. So let's start to wrap this baby up. And so tomorrow, I want you to when you after you go to sleep tonight, maybe you'll have this guy in your dreams. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go. Get up, and then they got go. Time to wake up, bitch. Get up. Get up. Get up.
It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Come on. Oh my gosh, that's wild. All right. So let's call it. Thank you guys for tuning in on this unscheduled late night stream. Hope you guys enjoyed today's random content. Gonna end it with the classic jam. Gonna let this thing play out for 3 minutes, which is exactly how long we need to end the stream. 3 minutes of the ending song, and we're watching the candle. All right, I'm gonna take my face off of this chart. Continue to broadcast the chart. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Let's go. 6 more minutes.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go.
Oh, the next candle's coming up. Yeah, there we go. Do it. Do it.
Time to wake up, bitch. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Oh my god, this is crazy. No, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up.
Get up, get up.
Oh, that was a good little push. That was a good little push. All right. 5 minutes away from the end of from the first hour, for the end of the first hour of trading in the EU. Making a little run for it. Making a little run for it. Okay. Let's go. Just punch through. You can do this. Oh, it's in there. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see here. Okay, it stays up above it. Yeah, that's good. We're looking at the 5-minute chart, and yeah, it might just do that the rest of the night. Just kind of do that. We'll see. All right, really now we're wrapping it up. Wrapping it up. Back to the ending track. You guys have a good night. Thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow when we stack some more sats here on the Stack Sats Show. But until then, remember, if you ain't stacking, you're slacking.